is the project closing is the last phase of the project life cycle, and then you can see that uh, it is in the overall product life cycle, it is a very short duration, and because it comes at the last, sometimes it is not given a due recognition, uh, and because many of the tasks in the project closing are quite repetitive, and they may be quite boring for the project participants to complete, such as getting the lessons learned, archiving the documents. So these type of tasks are kind of like more like uh, administrative type of tasks. So for the project participants to take part in these type of tasks is something like kind of quite boring for them. But in reality, the project closing is quite important because this can, as this lessons has have told you, that it can be helpful for you to for getting for obtaining the future projects, and the lessons learned from the previous projects, if they are captured well, these lessons learned can be also helpful for the better performance of the future projects as well. So therefore, there is this full chapter on this closing the project, and in the PMBOK guide, it is also a project a life cycle phase. So this should be given a due recognition. Okay, so as you can see that in this closing project, so we have certain activities which are performed. So for example, once the project is completed, uh, which means that normally for a bigger project does not complete at some particular instance of time. So project gradually completes. Okay, so we you complete work on one part of the project, and that part of the project is completed, and then you complete another part of the project. So gradually, so the project completion for larger projects may even take many months as well. And even after the completion of the project, many small items remain to be completed. Okay, these are normally called as the punch list items. So those of you who are working in the industry, they know very well that how important are these punch list items. So uh, because the completion on these punch list items uh, will get will get you a certificate from your customer or from your client that the project has been completed. And getting that type of certificate from the customer or the client is important, because if you don't get that certificate from the customer, then even you may not be able to get your final payment from the customer as well. So closing the project not only means closing the physical work, but closing the work administratively, closing the work financially as well. And of course, you can look at all the other items in this case, and then you can go ahead with the closing of the project. So lessons learned are important. Cross project evaluation of the project is important. Individual and team evaluation is also there in this closing of the project. Archiving of the documents. Okay, and getting the feedback from the customer, getting the feedback in the form of a survey from the customer is also quite important in this topic. Okay, so with this, the uh, this topic is completed.